Today I want to show you how simple it is to build a real workflow with StewAI, step by step, and it runs the same way every time. Plenty of AI tools have a lot of machinery for passing information from one step to the next. What I found in practice is that the straightforward way is usually the best one. And you already know the straightforward way because you've done it by hand. You type a prompt into a chat assistant. You wait. You get an answer, and then you copy that answer, paste it into the next prompt, and ask for the next thing. For example, turn this into a spec, pull out the details, summarize it. Copy, paste, and ask again. That is exactly the principle StewAI is built on. You chain steps by referencing what an earlier step produced. No complicated wiring, no plumbing. You do this in the prompt builder, which sits inside almost every step. Let me show you. Here's a plain LLM step. For the first prompt, I'll ask it to write a bad dad joke. I'm a dad, so this is something I genuinely need. Good. And as we all know, dad jokes are lame. I'd like to know exactly how lame. So I add a second step. And this one needs to see the first one's answer. There are a few ways to do that, but the easiest is this. Here are the results from the earlier steps, as tokens. I grab the one for the dad joke and drag it straight into my new prompt. Then I finish the sentence. Why is this dad joke lame? That's it. That's the whole thing. And in the recipe view, you can see it, top to bottom. Step 1 writes the joke. Step 2 explains why it's terrible. 2 steps, just one drag. Everything else in StewAI is the same move, repeated. Chain enough of them and you've built something big, without it ever feeling like it.